Hello YouTube, it's your boy Flyview. Today's video we're going to use Lightroom mobile CC for Android. I'm going to share with you guys more than 50 Lightroom presets that I like and use. The link will be in the description. Just copy the DNG files to your mobile phone, just download it, import it to your Lightroom library, then just go into settings, copy settings, just make sure copy everything, then just go into a picture, paste the settings into it, and you got your preset. You can also just create preset and name it as you wish for. Create preset, give the name that you wish to, and that's it. You got your preset done and ready to apply to any photo, however you like. Just copy and paste. Pretty easy. You can use it got some example. This one are the presets that I use the most, so just make sure share with you guys. No password needed. Google Drive downloads, pretty easy and fast. I have a bunch of them, been collecting them through the years since 2018. They are free presets, just free presets available online that you can download and use whatever you want. A bunch of them for portraits, some landscape, some objects. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Comment down below. I got a bigger collection. If you guys want, I'll be sharing all of them with you. So make sure you subscribe, like this button, you watch this video. Enjoy. So if you like this tutorial, tell it in the comment section down below. Just comment, tell me if you want some more presets. I'll be making more on Lightroom. It's a really powerful tool. You can do amazing things with it. All depends on your creativity. Just let it flow, be free, have fun with it. Of course, this preset will not work with every kind of photo you take. It's more for objects like some jewelry, rings, bracelets, necklace, some shiny stuff. If you work, just use the colors. You can adapt it every time you want. Like, make sure you adapt the shadow, highlights. Light is always first things to do. That's why it also called Lightroom, because it really makes a difference. Lightning is one of the most important, if not the most important part of photography. That's how photography comes to life. That's how you pop up, make these pictures pop up and so much interesting. So don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching. See you next time.